Hi guys, so for this project we'll be using size 10 knitting needles and chunky yarn. So the first thing we need to do is cast on 60 stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, so after you finish casting on 60 stitches, make sure all your stitches are straight. And then you need to continue knitting in a circle. So you will need to knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and you will do that for every row from now on, and I will check back with you later. Okay guys, so after you finish 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25 rows of 2 knit 2 purl, we will start to decrease. Knit 2 together, purl 2 together, knit 2 together, purl 2 together for the entire row, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so on the next row we will knit 2 together again. So we will knit 1 knit and 1 purl together, 1 knit and 1 purl together, 1 knit and 1 purl together, one knit and 1 purl together, 1 knit and 1 purl together, and we will continue to do that for the entire row, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so when you finish the 27th row, you need to turn your hat inside out. Grab a tapestry needle, put your yarn through it, now move all your stitches from your knitting needle to the tapestry needle. Pull your yarn through the stitches, remove the tapestry needle, remove the tapestry needle, secure your stitches, cut the yarn, loose the ends. This is how the top of the hat will look like. This is how the finished hat will look like. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.